Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Langit Biru Raditya with code name 23015038. Today, I will explain complex sentences focusing on adverb clause and adjective clause. First, we have what is an adverb clause. Definition: an adverb clause is a dependent clause that acts like an adverb. It explains how, when, why, where, or under what condition an action happens. How to recognize it? First, begins with a subordination conjunction, has its own subject plus verb, and can stand alone. Example: I leave early because I feel sick. Because I feel sick is a adverb clause. Explain why. Next, we have after versus once or as soon as. After conjunction time, so one action happens later than another. Why it is in this category? After introduce a time clause indication sequence. Example: after I finished my homework, I went out. And once or as soon as function immediate time, so something happens right after another event. Why included? Indicates no delay between action. Example: once I hear the news, I'll tell you. As soon as he arrived, the class started. Next, we have when versus whenever. When, function specific time. Why, refers to a particular moment or event. Example: when the bell rings, the class begins. And whenever, function repeat or general time. Why, means every time, not limited to one event. Example: whenever I see her, she smiles. Next, we have when versus by the time. When, focus on the exact moment something happens. And by the time, function complete action before another event. Why, the phrase by the time always implies something already happened earlier. Example: when she arrives, call me. By the time she arrives, I will have leave. Even finished before she arrives. Next, we have because versus know that. Because, function basic reason. Why, introduce cause that is general and direct. Example: I went home because I was tired. And know that, function reason based on a new condition. Why, use when something has changed and that change become the reason. Example: know that it's sunny, we can go outside. Reason exists because something is different. Next, we have even though versus even if. Even though, function contrast real fact. Why, introduce information that is true and contrast main clause. Example: even though he is rich, he is humble. Contrast based on a real condition. Even if, function unreal or hypothetical condition. Why, talks about a possibility that may or may not happen. Example: I will help you even if it rains tomorrow. If it rains tomorrow, it's a hypothetical future. Next, we have what is an adjective clause. Definition. An adjective clause describe or give information about a noun in the main sentence. How to recognize it? First, begin with a relative pronoun who, whom, which, that, and whose, or relative adverb where, when, why. Always follow a noun function like an adjective describe the noun. Example, the girl who sits next to me is kind. Next, we have a relative pronouns who for people act as subject in the clause. Example, the girl who welcomed me is my sister. Whom for people act as object. The man whom I meet is friendly. Which for things. The book which I read was amazing. That for people or things often used in essential clause. The car that he bought is new. Was so position. The boy whose bike was stolen. Right. Next we have relative adverb. First we have where. Refers to a place. This is the cafe where we meet. When refers to a time. Remember the day when we first meet. Why refers to a reason. This is the reason why I leave early. Next, we have essential versus non-essential clause. Essential clause, restrictive, necessary to identify the noun, no comma, used that often. Example, students who study hard will pass. Without the clause, meaning change. Non-essential clause, non-restrictive. Extra information, use comma, use which and who. Example, my mother, who is a teacher, loves reading. Clause adds extra info not required. Next,